Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ski base cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products in a skier's arsenal, playing a crucial role in maintaining the performance and longevity of your skis, ensuring that every glide down the mountain is as smooth and fast as possible, and that your equipment remains in top condition for seasons to come. Number 5. Boat Juice 2-in-1 Exterior Boat Cleaner and Protectant Spray. Tired of water spots and dull surfaces on your boat? Discover the ultimate solution for a sparkling clean and protected vessel. This powerful formula effortlessly lifts dirt and grime while leaving behind a durable ceramic sealant. Enjoy a showroom shine that lasts. Harnessing advanced SiO2 ceramic sealant technology, it creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels water and contaminants. Keep your boat looking pristine with minimal effort. Experience the refreshing pina colada scent as you clean. It makes boat detailing a more enjoyable task. Designed specifically for marine detailing, this product is your go-to for all your boat cleaning needs. Achieve professional results every time. Crafted with care and quality in the USA, you can trust its performance. Get the best for your boat with this premium cleaner and protectant. What we like. This product offers a dual-action cleaning and protection for your boat's exterior. It effectively removes water spots while adding a ceramic sealant for a glossy finish. If you're looking for a convenient way to keep your boat looking its best after every outing, this is a great choice. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing old wax and dirt from ski bases. It leaves the bases clean and ready for new wax application. The spray bottle makes it easy to apply the cleaner evenly. Number 4. Boat Juice Interior 2-in-1 Cleaner and Protectant. Tired of a messy boat interior? Introducing a revolutionary 2-in-1 solution that perfectly balances powerful cleaning with essential UV protection. Make your boat's interior shine like new with minimal effort. We created something better. Say goodbye to harsh chemical smells and the hassle of using multiple products. This one solution gets the job done effectively and leaves a delightful scent. Stains and spills are no match for this formula. It quickly penetrates surfaces to lift away dirt, food spills, and tough grime, restoring the pristine look of your boat's interior. Keep your boat's interior looking its best by shielding it from the sun's damaging rays. It provides robust UV protection without leaving any sticky or greasy residue behind. You can use this versatile cleaner with confidence on a variety of materials. It's safe for upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and even foam flooring. Experience the quality and care that goes into every bottle. This product is proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch performance for your boat. What we like. This cleaner is specifically designed for your boat's interior surfaces, tackling stains and dirt while providing UV protection. If you want to keep your vinyl seats and carpets looking fresh and protected from sun damage without a greasy residue, this is the product for you. What people say. The cleaner is effective in removing old wax and dirt from the ski base. It leaves the base clean and ready for new wax application. The product has a pleasant, mild scent. Number 3. Boat Juice Necessity Boat Cleaner Kit. Introducing our revolutionary boat cleaner kit. It cleans and protects your boat in a single step, leaving it glossy and spot-free. You can use it on a wet or dry boat for ultimate convenience. Effortlessly removes stubborn mineral deposits and hard water spots. Simply spray it on, wipe it off, and buff to a brilliant shine. It's safe for all surfaces, making cleaning a breeze. We created a better cleaning solution. Say goodbye to harsh chemical smells and complicated routines. This kit simplifies your boat cleaning, getting the job done with just one product. Cleaning your boat's interior has never been easier. Our interior spray offers the perfect balance of cleaning power and UV protection. It keeps your surfaces looking great while shielding them from the sun. You can use this product with confidence on all your interior surfaces. It's safe for upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and even foam flooring. Enjoy a clean and protected interior without worry. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for both exterior and interior cleaning, including specialized sprays and microfiber towels. If you're a boat owner who wants a convenient, all-in-one solution for maintaining your entire vessel, this kit simplifies the process significantly. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing old wax and dirt from ski bases. It leaves the bases clean and ready for a new wax application. The product is easy to use and doesn't require much effort. Number 2. SandShark Premium Boat Hull Cleaner. Tired of stubborn dirt and scuff marks ruining your boat's appearance? Our premium cleaner quickly lifts away grime, mud, grease, and salt from hulls and docks. It's perfect for all types of boats, leaving them looking pristine. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and cleaners. This cleaning sponge erases marks using just water. It's the perfect addition to your boat cleaning supplies, making it easy to remove dirt and stains without any harmful substances. Our extra thick sponge with a reinforced core is built to last. It effectively removes marks from various surfaces, including boat seats, marine vinyl, showers, sinks, and more. It's a must-have for any boat owner. You can trust this cleaner to be safe on multiple surfaces. Unlike other products, it contains no harmful chemicals, bleach, or corrosive materials. It's the perfect, safe addition to your boat cleaning routine. When it comes to boat accessories, trust SandShark. As an American company, we are committed to providing the highest quality boating accessories. Make your next boat purchase a SandShark, and forget the rest. What we like. This product utilizes a unique eraser sponge technology to remove tough scuffs and dirt without the need for harsh chemicals. If you have stubborn marks on your boat's hull or interior vinyl that other cleaners can't touch, this is an effective and safe solution to try. What people say. This cleaner is effective at removing old wax and dirt from ski bases, preparing them for a fresh wax. The product has a pleasant, mild scent and is easy to apply and wipe off. It leaves the ski bases clean and ready for waxing without leaving any residue. Number 1. Boat Juice 2-in-1 Exterior Boat Cleaner and Protectant. Introducing Boat Juice 2-in-1. Clean, shine, and shield your boat in a single wipe. No more juggling multiple products, this one does it all. Effortlessly dissolve stubborn water spots and calcium buildup. Simply spray on and wipe off, no heavy scrubbing or rinsing needed. It works on wet or dry surfaces. Our advanced SiO2 ceramic formula creates a long-lasting, water-repellent barrier. Enjoy a glossy finish while defending against sun damage and future spotting. This versatile cleaner is safe for use on gel coat, fiberglass, glass, vinyl, and plastics. It's also perfect for trailers, jet skis, and even cars and RVs. Forget harsh chemical smells. Enjoy a refreshing piña colada scent while you clean. It's efficient, effective, and smells amazing, that's the Boat Juice difference. What we like. This is a larger, 1-gallon option of the exterior cleaner, offering excellent value for frequent boaters. If you have a larger vessel or simply want to ensure you always have enough product on hand for extensive cleaning and protection, this bulk size is ideal. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing old wax and dirt from skis. It leaves the base clean and ready for new wax application. The product has a pleasant, mild scent and is easy to apply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.